This is another question where we're going to be looking at wages, salary. This time it's a weekly wage, but the same principles apply where you have two rates of tax. Your standard rate of tax, which is applied to the lower part of your income, and then the higher rate of tax that is applied to the higher rate of income. So let's take a look at this question. A printer has a weekly wage of 980 euros. His standard cutoff point is 620 and his tax credits amount to 44 euro. The standard income rate is 20% and the higher rate is 40%. So this basically means that the first 620 he's going to pay 20% income tax, and anything he earns above that, which is basically going to be the 980 minus the 620, he's going to pay 40%. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one. So we have our 980, and again we have to split this. So we have 980, the first 620 is the standard rate. So we're going to get 20% of this. And then for the higher rate, we're going to say 980 minus the 620. So 980 minus 620 is 360. And we're going to pay 40% of this. So 20% of 620, well, 10% is 62. So 20% is going to be 124. 62 plus 62 is 124. And then in this case, 40% of 360. So 360 multiplied by 40% is equal to 144. So his higher rate of income tax is 144. He's going to pay 124 on the lower amount. And we're going to add the two of them together. So 124 plus 144 is 268. So that's his gross tax. In other words, the tax before we take away the tax credit, because remember the tax credit reduces our tax bill. So we're going to find his tax credit, which is 44 euros, and subtract that from there. So that's going to give me 224. So that's the amount of tax he's actually going to pay. In other words, that's his net tax. So the question asks his gross tax for the week, which is 628, and then it asks for the net tax, which is 224. And usually in this kind of question, it would also ask, so in that case, what's his net income? So what does he actually take home? So to find his net income, we take his gross income, which is 980, and the net tax, and we subtract the two. So 980 minus 224 is 756. So that is his net income, his actual take-home pay. So hopefully that is helpful.